Spanish minimum wage 2025 Cabotage ShipOwner 435. We have approx a 6% growth of basic wage in Spain, which is required under Cabotage rules for the 2025. It is under negotiation now because that means that we would probably have 1,200 euros times 14 pays. Now in Spain we have about 60% population, around 1,296 euros. So this means that probably those will now grow the minimum wage, and then as we all know, that is the lowest income tax that we have in Spain, which is about 0. Therefore, now we will not probably have 60% under minimum wage in Spain. We will probably, the more they grow it, I guess, I'm a statistical expert, the more they grow minimum wage, then the more people fall under that bracket, because even though it is 16% in Spain now, we know that UK, for example, has 70% immigrants taking over new jobs. So this same thing will happen here. Why? Because UK is really the perfect sample for what's going to happen throughout the world when we are talking about minimum wages. Therefore, most of the new jobs will fall under this condition. But if you do have ships under Spanish Cabotage, please contact us, because it's really a logarithm how to comply for the Maritime Level Convention and for the Cabotage rules, because you must really have, say, a social security equivalent. But how can you if you never know how complicated it is, the Spanish system? It is 7 ministries and so on, and one of them is just the minimum wage. So if you really think about compliance of the Cabotage, contact me, because it is really very, very complicated, but that's the advantage, isn't it? Thank you. Bye.